What's up YouTube? It's Joel here with the first plug and play third brake light flasher module for the 10th Gen Civic Si. Let's go see how we install this thing. So first thing you gotta do is just pop the trunk. You're gonna have some couple clips on your trunk liner. I left one just to show you real quick how easy it is to take off. Pull off the carpet, store it off to the side, and you're gonna unplug this right here. So there's a little pin at the top. You're just gonna press that down with a flathead or some kind of tool, and then you pull it right out. Off the cover, you have 4 dip switches. Oh shoot. As you can see, it's plug and play with the factory harness. To change the different modes, you're gonna open it up. You have the 4 dip switches. You're gonna flip them, whether it's gonna be in the 0 or the 1 position, to account for the 16 different flash mode types. Right now I have it set to 0, 0, 0, 0. This is gonna give me the 5 quick flashes and the steady hold that I want on this vehicle. All right, so you're gonna take the female end, plug it into the male end, and then you're gonna take the male end and plug it into the female end that's still on your car, just like that. And then you're gonna tuck it up into the trunk, zip tie or tape it in there to keep it secure.
All right, and here we're going to show you the mode that we have it on currently right now, which is 5 times and then a steady.
All right, so this is how easy it is to change the different flash modes. I'm going to put it into the CA legal mode, which is 0, 0, and then 1, 1. Let's go check it out.
All right, guys, and here is the California legal option for this module. As you can see, it's 4 times and then a solid. We opted for a zip tie to hold it in place. There is enough room to use double-side tape, but we're just going to use a zip tie. And other than that, putting the panel back on, you are done with the install.
All right, thanks guys for watching. I hope you see how easy it was to install on your Civic Si. And linked into the description, I'll show you another video on a Type R showing all the different flashing modes, as well as a link to go ahead and purchase this for your Si Sedan or Type R. Thanks for watching.